Hi friends, all of you are welcome on my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you that how to do Gava grafting. The best way to do, you can say, grafting on Gava is, you can say, V grafting, that is called wedge grafting. So wedge cut or chisel cut, that is already we have, you can say, adopted, or we have means applied this wedge grafting or V-shape grafting on mangoes as well as on, you can say, custard apple, and on so many trees we are using, or this one is the best, you can say, technique of grafting on any tree. So now how to select cyan, that is the first priority before doing grafting. So prior to, you can say, grafting, you have to select the cyan. You have to keep such type of a cyan by defoliating leaves, 10 to 12 days you have to keep that, you can say, defoliated stick there on the tree, and then whenever you want to do it, means after 10 to 12 days you have to cut those cyan. The cyan's color should be brown in color. Now already you are looking here, green cyan should not be used for, you can say, grafting of Gava. Now for that you must have, you can say, root stock, or you can say, potted plant in your pocket. Now the minimum age of that, you can say, Gava tree should be minimum 1 year of age, and a pencil size stick should be um, there. Now you have to cut it from ground level about, you can say, 6 to 8 inch, 8 inch, and after 6 to 8 inch cutting of that plant, you have to give 4 to 3 to 4 centimeter vertical cut from the center of that stock, root stock, and then insert these, you can say, defoliated qualitative gavas cyan there by cutting V shape or wedge cut, such a way of 3 to 4 centimeter. If you have given vertical cut of 4 centimeter, then you have to prepare that 3 centimeters wedge cut, and after that you have to use such type of polythene. You have to start wind it from the bottom of that cut, and you must wind it and take it towards the top side. Now no air should be remain between that junction where you have inserted that wedge cut cyan. Now tightness should be there, and after, you can say, 30 to 45 days you will get the sprouting on that concerning Gawat cyan. But whenever you will, means, you can say, water the plant, you must keep attention that no bud or sprouting should be below the joint on the main plant. If such type of, you can say, sprouting comes on the main, you can say, root stock, then you have to cut it or detach it. Only you have to allow sprouting on the cyan only. In future also you have to take such type of precaution that only grafted part should be permitted for growing purpose. If such type of unwanted branches are coming from the mother plant or root stock, then you have to detach them. So this one is the second plant we are going. Now I would like to tell you the best month. First week of February and second week of February. These 2 weeks of February, first and second, are very important for successful graftings. In these 2 weeks of February, you will get, you can say, 70 to 80% result. Capping is must. If you do not have caps, then you will also get result, but if you do such type of a capping on them, then the moisture should be, you can say, maintain within that, you can say, cap, and it that cap can, you can say, stop the transpiration rate of, you can say, that plant, by which you can by which the sprouting will come speedily within, you can say, within 25 to 30 days. And for that, capping is must. And after grafting you have to keep such type of all grafting by, it may be, you can say, Gava, mango, or custard apple, nimbu, citrus plants etc under the shade or under the tree up to for up to 2 to 3 months, and whenever they will grow, but don't keep them directly in the sun. This precaution should be taken from you for the better, you can say, growth rate. Now after that you can plant these plants in the soil also after 2 to 3 months. Now what about this, you can say, winding, you can say, plastic? This can be removed after 3 months, not before 3 months. Whenever such type of a cells will, you can say, heal completely that joint part, and the bark will be joined by the parenchyma cells, then you can